College can be taxing on a person. Between work and the many hours of required study time, the late night studying for finals leaves you feeling exhausted, and it's almost impossible to wake up. Finally, there is a solution to these late night problems: the Osmosis pillow. This pillow helps you multitask while you sleep, making the ultimate use of your night. Simply place a book under the pillow before bed and let its magic do the rest. The Osmosis pillow uses magnetic brain stimulation as it passes data through its permeable fabric straight into the brain. While you are getting a good night's rest, the Osmosis pillow is hard at work, organizing and sending data ready to use. Please don't drive yourself crazy and save your valuable time and get your osmosis on. Warning: do not use your Osmosis pillow with electronic devices such as cell phones, laptops, or tablets. Studies have shown this could lead to fire or explosion of the device and cause damage to your Osmosis pillow.